Back to another video. Today we got an email from Harbor Freight, Cyber Monday sale. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbios 2 deals. Yes, I do apologize for uploading this a little too late today, but you guys still have a few hours to buy online and some of you at the stores. So I decided to just do this after I get home from work. So I do apologize for not uploading it faster. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We got Cyber Monday sale, one day only. We got a coupon here. As you guys know, I did post this coupon on my what is this, YouTube community thing. I posted this coupon, and hopefully some of you got this. This is the Bauer 20 volt 8 piece floor tool combo kit, $149. So you got a drill driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, compact flashlight, and a 1.5 amp hour battery. Hopefully Harbor Freight will do this more often, and even with the Hercules line, we will want to see that. Limit one per customer. It says this one's valid in store only, while supplies last cannot be used with any other discounts. Purchases non-transferable, original, valid through, okay, so only today. Let's see here. We got another coupon here, 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $6.99. Got a 1750 psi electric pressure washer, $79.99. A 56-inch by 22 double bank strip cabinets, $689.99. Yeah, these prices are not the lowest. We've seen them lower. Let's see here. We got a rapid pump 1.5 ton lightweight aluminum floor jack, $59.99. Not a bad deal. 17 feet multitask ladder, $99.99. 24 feet 18 bulb 12 socket outdoor linkable string lights, $18.99. What catch my attention basically was this pole saw. This is lower than before price. This is currently probably the lowest. Same thing with this 5,000 lumens hanging up shop light. It used to be $19.99, now it's $18.99. So definitely recommend this for you guys. Not all the time is it $19.99. So just if you guys want to get that, please get it. And this was definitely a great item there for you. Another great item here. It is the lowest, $219.99. You got 20 volts lithium coreless extreme torque, 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is normal price. Let's see here. Hopefully I can point out a lower price. This has always been $19.99, always been $39.99. This is definitely a great deal. Recommended for you guys. I know Walmart did had a sale for one of these for $29.99, but that was just for Black Friday. But Harbor Freight does have it for today for $29.99. These are great gloves. Definitely recommend it for you guys. Definitely recommend this item for you guys. $109. Definitely a great deal there. Got the Bauer impact wrench or impact driver kit, $59.99. You got the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $89.99. You got the 66-piece 1438 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric visibility socket set, $39.99. Not a bad deal. This is one of the lowest price we've seen this. It's actually not a bad kit there. 8-channel surveillance DVR with 4 HD cameras, mobile cable. So you can watch this on your phone via internet. So definitely recommend this for you guys. If you guys do a lot of camping, if you guys have a small RV or something, you guys want to charge a battery, $144.99. I do have a couple videos out there. Just put 2 head147 solar, and all my videos will pop up with this device. This is definitely a great light. It is the lowest we've seen it. Well, I actually think we've seen it for $18.99 in the Black Friday sale, but definitely a great item. And you're probably not going to see this price for a while. Let's see here. Predator generators are really good. Definitely recommend this for you guys. This would recommend this. This is for you guys. This is 18 gauge 2-in-1 nailer stapler. I had no problems with it. Sorry guys. Maybe I'm going a little too fast. But here's a new saw there. Not new, but newer. I do have the video of this item. I did do a review. So be sure and check it out. See if I can link it up above. It's a 1250 lumens LED rechargeable work light. You can recharge it, use it as a work light under the vehicle. This is the 1/2 inch impact wrench. I do have it on my channel. Be sure to check it out if you want to see how it works. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any more stuff. If I'm going too fast, you feel free to pause the video, rewind it, or even down here at the YouTube or up here, depending if you're using it on the mobile phone. There's a menu, an option. You can watch videos slower, and you can take screenshots of the coupons and all that. Do have this on my channel. Works pure. This review on my channel, it works really good. Nice vacuums there. $44.99, not a bad deal for 6 gallon. This is probably one of the lowest we've seen for the Zurich. I think they did lower the price, so that's really good. We got let's see, we got this is the new 3-in-1 quick connect light, $44.99. Definitely recommend this for you guys. Original price $59.99. This is the new HD 1080p dash camera, $59.99. This is lower than what we've seen before. Before we've seen it for $19.99, the lowest. $18.99, it is lower than, probably $1 off. Definitely recommend these screwdrivers for you guys. I did do a test. These are my favorite screwdrivers. Let's see here. This is something you don't see often. This is the 9-function metal detecting with the armrest, $39.99. And then you got a 10-ton hydraulic lock splitter for $99.99. Universal roof crossbars, $49.99. This is newer. And then you got the Cyber Monday 3-inch LED lights. You got the flood, or you got the spot. Your choice, $19.99. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.